rolled, find the odds of rolling a sum of 3. So to start with, we want the sample space when you roll 2 dice. So the sample space is equal to 36. There are 36 outcomes, 6 by 6. And what we want is the first one is the sum of 3, the odds in favor of the sum of 3. So we start by finding the probability of getting a 3. So the probability of getting a 3, there are 2 such cases out of 36 which you obtain a 3. It's either you add 2 and 1 or 1 and 2. That's all. So it's 2 out of 36, which is as good as 1 out of 18.